How to hide chat on Snapchat. Let's begin with the video. Initially open the Snapchat app from your home screen. Now tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen to access your conversation. You'll look for the chat you want to hide and tap and hold on the conversation you wish to hide. A menu of options will appear. Click on the chat and notification settings from the menu. Ensure that the delete chat is set to after 24 hours or 7 days instead of after viewing. This ensures that the messages don't disappear immediately. From the same menu, select the clear from the chat feed. A confirmation message will appear. Hit clear to remove the chat from your main chat list. This won't delete your chat history, so if you want to view the chat again, click on the search icon and search for their profile. Finally, here you can view all the chat. That's it. This is how to hide chat on Snapchat.